In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy email addresses in Gmail. This is a simple and straightforward process, but knowing how to do this correctly is essential for managing your contacts efficiently. Whether you're gathering addresses for a mailing list or simply keeping your contact information up to date, copying email addresses accurately can save you time and effort. To get started, open up your Gmail account and head to your inbox. This is where all your received emails are neatly organized and just waiting for you to explore them. From here, choose an email whose address you wish to copy. You might have a specific email in mind, or you could just be practicing, and that's perfectly fine too. Once you've selected an email, take a closer look at the sender information usually located at the top part of the email. You'll notice that the sender's name is prominently displayed, but here's where we need to pay closer attention. Right next to the sender's name, you'll see the email address itself. This is what we need to focus on. With the email address clearly visible, the next step is as simple as it gets. Move your cursor over the email address. Once you're on top of the email, click and hold your mouse or trackpad button. Now, without releasing the button, drag your cursor across the email address from beginning to end. This action should highlight the entire email address. Highlighting it signals to your computer that this is the text you're interested in copying. After highlighting the email address, it's time to copy it. For this, release the mouse button, and then you can typically do one of two things to copy the text. You can right-click on the highlighted email address and select Copy from the drop-down menu, or you can simply use a keyboard shortcut, which is usually Command+C on a Mac or Control+C on a Windows computer. It's really up to you which method you prefer, as both achieve the same result. And there you have it. You've successfully copied an email address from Gmail. Now you can paste it wherever you need. Maybe you're adding it to a new email, a spreadsheet, or a document. Just place your cursor at the destination and use either Command+V on a Mac or Control+V on a Windows computer to paste it. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you make sure that the email addresses are collected accurately, minimizing errors, and saving yourself from the hassle of manually entering them. Knowing these basic skills can really streamline your daily tasks in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you found this useful, be sure to check out other tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail proficiency.